Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve modern art puzzle. This puzzle was made by Siebenstein Spiele in Germany. It has difficulty level 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the object of the puzzle is to fit all parts into the tray. This puzzle is made in laser cut wood. It has 8 parts. 7 of them are already packed into the tray, and as you can see, they packed pretty tight, and it looks like there is no space for the last piece, which is right here on top. And I would say that it is quite the challenge to figure out how to put 7 parts into the tray, and it looks almost impossible to fit the last piece. But there is a solution how to solve this puzzle, and I will show it to you a little bit later. If you like modern art puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So first of all, we have to remove all parts. And now I will start with the part that was right here on top. We have to put it right here on the bottom. So the next piece is going to be this one. Yeah, it's going to be this piece, or maybe it's going to be another part. Let me find. Yeah, that's going to be this piece. We have to put it right here. So the next part, we will grab this one and put it into this place. Next, we will find this big part and put it right here. It's gonna fit here perfect. So the next piece is gonna be this one, and we have to put it right here. It fits perfect in this place. We have only 3 parts left, and we will start with this big piece. We're gonna put it right here, and there is not enough space left for 2 parts, at least it looks like that, but we will try to fit all parts. So this piece goes right in here, and the last piece, we can fit it right here, and that is the solution of modern art puzzle. As you can see, it was very tight when there was 7 parts in here, but when you were able to find the place to fit the last piece, now it looks even more tight, and the solution looks quite impossible to find. If you like modern art puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles made by Siebenstein Spiele, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time!